Hi guys! Guess who? It's me, Kows. I'm back with another video. I know it's been like a couple of months, but I've just been so busy. You guys might notice that I have my braces off. I don't even know how to act, honestly. Like, I don't know how to act. I don't know how to smile. I feel so weird without my braces. Like, I never thought I would say that, but I do. But I'm glad I have them off because they were a struggle. Today's makeup video is actually going to be an everyday makeup look. These products I've been using quite a lot recently, and they're products that I've been reaching for, and they're products that are pretty new to me. So if you guys want to know how I achieved my everyday makeup look, just keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face to begin. So once I moisturize my face, I'm going to go ahead and put my primer on. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are done because it literally takes me forever just to do them. The primer that I'm going to be using is the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. I've always wanted this primer and I finally bought it and I'm obsessed with it. It's so moisturizing for my dry face, especially during this time of the year. And I cannot get enough of it. I'm going to go ahead and color correct. Gonna go ahead and use a orange shade in this palette right here. So now that we look like a hot mess and we look like a grease ball, we're gonna go ahead and use our foundation. The foundation that I'm gonna be using today is the Fenty Beauty foundation. This foundation is literally like the perfect shade for me. I am in love with it. It's a soft matte foundation, which is why I moisturize my face really well and use the hydrating primer to kind of counteract the dryness of the foundation in my skin. And if I haven't mentioned it before, the shade that I'm in is 370. Once I'm done applying my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealers. I've been using two concealers. One is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. It's a shade too dark for me. Actually, it might be like my skin tone. And this one is way too light for me, so I use a little bit of this and a little bit of this just to mix both of them. So lately I've been using a foundation brush to apply my foundation, but it's dirty and I do not feel like washing it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender for my foundation and my concealer. Do not be like me, you guys. Wash your brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit more. Ooh, that was a lot. And I'm not going near my forehead because I already have a big forehead and we do not need to make it bigger. Like, no, please don't do it. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and set my under eye before it creases using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I've also been using the what is it? I think it's Cover FX. No, or Derma Blend. I've been using the Derma Blend one, but it's really like stark white and I'm trying to avoid that right now because I'm just going for a natural look. If you guys want to see an updated eyebrow routine, just let me know because I have been using a different technique and a different product. Well, not a different product, but a different technique and a different like tool, and I actually love the way they've been turning out recently, and a lot of my friends actually noticed the difference and they like it, so you guys might also enjoy it too, so just let me know. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually put the translucent powder on my laugh lines. So I usually have an issue with laugh lines, but recently that hasn't been a problem because I've been experimenting with different ways of getting rid of those laugh lines that I get like every single time, no matter what foundation I use, no matter how I do it. Before I do that and before I set my laugh line area, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and yeah, we'll come back to that. Go ahead and contour my face using the Anastasia contour kit. I'm just gonna go ahead and use one of this dark shade and this dark shade and just mix those two. I'm gonna go ahead and use the darker brown to add some more definition to my face. I'm gonna go ahead and take the middle shade and use that as a blush. It's actually a bronzer, but it works really well for a blush for my skin tone, so you know. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Wet n Wild highlighter in crown of my canopy. It's really pretty. I don't know how to explain it, but this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face real quickly. So before I set my laugh line area, I usually just do my entire face. I do my contour, my highlight, my blush, all of that, and I set it in place. Once I set it in place, I go ahead and use my translucent powder and my damp beauty blender and just put it around my laugh line area. That's literally the only technique that I've been using. And I don't touch it. I don't add a Fix Plus. I don't add any more setting spray. I leave it like that. So I applied a little bit of concealer on my eyelids just as a base for the shadows we're going to be using, or shadow we're going to be using, because I'm not doing a dramatic look. I'm actually just putting a little bit of wash of color on my eyelids just because I'm extra. Anyways, the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Prism palette. It's pretty new to me and I'm kind of obsessed with it. I'm going to go ahead and use this color, which is that brown color, and it's called Parallel. So I lied, we're using more than one eyeshadow color. What I meant to say is I'm only using one eyelid color, but in my crease area I just went in with that brown shade in the palette, and I'm actually going to use my fingers to use this next color, and that color is Unity right here, and I'm just going to pat that all over my eyelid. We're almost done. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I've heard so many great things about this mascara, but this came in a Sephora holiday gift set type things that they have every year, and I do not regret it because it was worth it. There's so many great eyeshadows in it for like 50 bucks, so this alone is like 30 bucks. Do not regret. Some of you guys might know that I love lip gloss, and lately I've been using these two. This one is from Fenty Beauty, and I think this is called Fenty Glow, and this is from ColourPop. This is Ipsy VIP, and I don't know which one I'm going to use today. I think I'm just going to go ahead and go with a more neutral color, because this one does have a little bit of a pink undertone. This is the end of this makeup look. This is my everyday makeup look using these products that I've been loving a lot lately. I usually do this when I have a little bit of time, but not too much time. It's kind of like extra for like an everyday makeup look, but I'm extra, so it's perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so glad to be back. I'm trying to figure out a schedule to do more videos, but it's been such a struggle, but gonna try. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and Happy New Year's. Bye!